What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here to bring you guys another video today. So today is the 1st of September, and first of all, it's my dad's birthday, so I'd like to say happy birthday to him. But today also marks the start of a new month, which means a new trading month, and it's a month where I think it's going to get a little bit choppy. Now, of course, August is gone. August is a pretty good month. Today was a midweek trading day, but it started off all right. So in this video, we're just going to have a look at a few things that we did today, some of the gains, some of the potential plays going into the rest of the week. Also going to highlight a couple different stocks which could look interesting, some stocks which have had a couple nice bits of after hours movement for us to profit off of, and yeah, we're going to dive into all that. But the first thing is just get the usual stuff out of the way. Drop those thumbs ups to show you guys appreciate the video. Just hit the like button, it doesn't cost you anything. Also, as it's a new month, you're obliged to comment on the video, let me know your thoughts on how the month will pan out. Also, do not forget to share these videos, share them on your social media, share them with your friends, share them, get them out to more people. And lastly but not least, if you are new to the channel, stop hiding, don't be a ghost, don't hide behind the scenes, stop lurking in the shadows. Hit the red button and subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. It does not cost you anything, and in fact, you'll get to see more videos just like this. So to start off today's video, I'd like to take a look at some stocks which had some really good positive movement today, also some stocks that we traded in the Discord, and then after that, we can look into some other things. So the first stock I'd like to look at is Roku, ticker symbol ROKU. This had a pretty nice day today, up almost 5% on the day. Now it started to sell off towards the end of the day. The past week, it's also up almost 5%, and it's had a pretty strong week. Now, this is one stock which I think is going to continue running, so definitely keep your eyes out on that one. But like I mentioned, it had a good day today, bounced back from some lows in the past couple of days, kind of gapped up, and I'm sure it made a lot of people some good money. Next, let's have a look at Netflix, because Netflix was one that not only had a good day, but I called out in the Discord. And this stock brought back over 400% returns today. So Netflix was up, finished today up almost 3%, but as you can see, it hit highs of $590 from $578. I think it opened around $575 or somewhere around there. And we placed a call option on it, which expires this Friday for $580. Within, I'd say, an hour or so, even less, our calls were in the money. But yeah, towards the end of the day, Netflix did sell off. So if you're still in that play, definitely look towards taking profits. Once market opens tomorrow, you should still be up a decent amount. The past week has been good. The past 3 months, it's been up very nicely. So Netflix has been on a steady roll. And also, please do remember, it's one that I said, once it's under $500, buy up those shares. Netflix under $500 is very rare and a great opportunity. Next, we've got Lucid Motors, ticker symbol LCID. So this sold off heavily yesterday. From yesterday market close to today open, it just tanked. And so we profited off that. So I placed a call out for Lucid Motors, and actually this was a day trade because my plan with this one was profit and take advantage of the sell-off. The sell-off was crazy. The shares were under $17. So the moment market opened, I bought 5 contracts, and those pretty much just shot up straight away, and it was a home run within a few minutes. Now, I did call this out in the Discord. Some people got in later than I did, but I just want to highlight these kind of plays that take off after a huge sell-off, stocks that are way oversold. You can definitely profit off them, and that's exactly what we did. And Lucid is one where I believe it's still at a price point to buy shares for the buy and hold long term. Next, let's take a look at BBIG. So this finished the day up 15%, and it ended the day around $9.50. But this stock has been on a crazy rally. A week ago, it was around $2. It's just been steadily running up, and today actually hit highs of $11. So it's up 220% over the past week. I actually, sold my $5 call yesterday. It hit my stop limit. And then today I jumped back into the trade, which I'm now down on. I might play a video where you guys can kind of see that. But I'm sure we'll bounce back with that one. We've got until September 17th, so hopefully by then we can see it squeeze, see it pop off, and hopefully by September 17th, when my calls expire, we'll be up a decent amount so I can actually make some profit. It wouldn't be nice to lose the Lucid gains on that kind of stock, but a short squeeze is there, and anything can happen. So you just got to manage your risk with this kind of play. Now let's take a look at some crypto plays. Let's take a look at Ethereum particularly, because this was up 10% on the day. Ethereum has been a monster. 20th of July, it was sitting around $1,700. Now it's at $3,700. So hopefully you guys gobbled up that Ethereum. It's up like 70% since then. Over the past month, it's up 40% as well. Also remember, with these crypto plays, there's also stocks which are crypto mining companies. You can also play them as well. Remember Riot, Mara, Hut, Can, Those are different plays you can also watch when you see cryptos booming like this. But now we're going to take a look at some plays for the future. You've seen some plays which we profited off of today, which ran up nicely today. Let's look at some more interesting stocks which could play out nicely over the rest of the week. So first we're going to start off with a stock that just announced earnings, and this one sold off heavily after market. Chewy, ticker symbol CHWY. It is now sitting around $78.90 after hours, sold off 10%. You see that huge drop, horrible drop. But we could do something similar like with this one, like we did with Lucid today. So watch out for that quick market play, quick trade once market opens tomorrow. Next, I'm going to look at CrowdStrike Holdings, ticker symbol CRWD, sitting around $269 right now. This also sold off over the past day, over the past week as well. And I think this is one which can see $300 soon enough, but it's sold off heavily and it's oversold for me right now. So there's potential for future opportunity, especially in the near term. Also, Open Door Technologies, ticker symbol OPEN. This is one we've traded a few times. It was up 4% today. It's been up, almost 8.2% this past week. Over the past month, it's up 22%. Open, keep your eyes on that one as well. Remember these stocks I'm showing you. PaySafe is going to be the last one, up 3.66% today, up 3.32% on the past week. But don't miss out on that crazy gap up. You see that crazy spike upwards? That's the kind of thing we like, and especially when the stocks continue to rise in price, we keep our eyes out on that one. It's down 0.68% after hours, but check out the options on this one. The $10 calls for September 17th are around 17 cents. I think this is what I'm eyeing up. Make sure you take note now. This is what I'm eyeing up, the $10 calls for September 17th. I think this could be a nice play. September 17th, we still have 2 weeks until we have to sell or exercise our option. So 2 weeks to expiry. Definitely keep your eyes on this one, because this could be your ticket to getting double up. So remember that one. PaySafe, 17th of September, $10 calls. Also, if you want to extend your time to expiry, stretch your option out a bit longer, you can look at the October 15th calls. Same strike price, but maybe look to get in around 42 cents, with a premium of 0.40. And do remember that this will have a lot less time decay, so that's in your favor. And then lastly, now I keep saying lastly, but very lastly, I want to look at Aterian, ticker symbol ATER. This has been another stock which is squeezed up on the day nicely, up on the week extremely nicely, almost 72%. And it's also one I dropped in the group, not as an official call out, but just for people to look into. So we're looking at the $7.50 calls for this one, and I think this could be in the money. With these kind of stocks, this could be in the money tomorrow. It could be in the money so quickly. It could be in the money after hours, because these are stocks which are getting squeezed, and the movement on some of these stocks is absolutely crazy. So the choppy markets don't really affect it as you would expect it would, but you definitely need to keep your eyes out on that one as well. Now let me just show you guys the Lucid play from earlier, because again, within 5 or 10 minutes of the market open, this one was a crazy home run. Within about half an hour of the market open, it was around 166% returns. This is the power of day trading options. Yes, it's short-term expiry. Yes, it's risky, but you manage your risk. You're happy to take profits. If I took profits at 50-60% within 1 minute, I could have been done for the day. That's how a lot of folks do succeed with options. They're taking those small returns which add up. Also, another thing which is a simple mistake, BBIG, maybe I shouldn't have rolled into it. Of course, I had a $5 call from last week, got up to highs of 400% this week, I think 500% this week. Once it dropped yesterday, I had my sell limit in place just in case. And yeah, sometimes managing risk can stop you out of a trade. But I rolled into it, it's slightly down now. Depending on what BBIG does, I could regret this heavily, or potentially I walk away without any scars, but we will see. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recap. Remember, today's the 1st of September. We start as we mean to go on. It's gone well. How will the rest of the month pan out? I'm not sure. Last year, September, I did not really trade. I might have made 1 or 2 trades the whole month. I didn't really trade, to be honest. But I do think this year I'm going to have to be careful. In fact, I don't think I have to be careful. I must be careful. I must be cautious, because I haven't really traded a September session before, a month of September trading. So I need to be wary of what I do, but we're also going to manage the risk, help you guys keep eating. So you guys have seen a few insights of what's going to be available in the premium Discord. You guys have also seen a few insights of what was available in the premium Discord. Make sure if you're not signed up yet, you do sign up. Also check out the stock option starter pack. I've told you guys multiple times, You're going to learn how I find some of my plays. You're going to learn a lot of terminology, stuff which you need to know, the Greeks, the different factors which help you manage your risk with options, all that good stuff. But apart from that, hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Again, please do not feel afraid to share some support, share some love on this video. Thanks for watching this video. That is it from me. I'll go into making, you go into making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game.